Hey buddies, welcome to the inside scenes of some bulk fruit factories. Let's see how they process and handle so much bulking. First, some good factories use common food sanitizers to clean the water and fruits from outside. Chlorine, the real MVP, gets rid of nasty bacteria, viruses, and fungi if present on those pineapples. Sometimes they add citric acid to balance the water's pH and make the sanitizers work even better. After a good rinse, the pineapples ride the conveyor belt for a quick dry. Check out those blades. They are going to peel the pineapples like a pro. A machine pushes the tough core out of the way, and then skilled workers cut the fruit into the sizes customers want. After slicing, a little but quick bath is necessary. The conveyor belts give the fruit a gentle shake to remove extra moisture without messing up its texture. Finally, they use Some people still chose to go for old-school methods for some delicate tasks like picking fruit from trees, so they won't get damaged. Their struggle leads them to transport the entire fresh stock of these durian fruits towards the facilities for further processing. Skilled workers use sharp knives to carefully cut open durian fruit. As they are thoroughly cleaned again, these works beautifully collect the inner edible flesh of the fruit in separate baskets. And here, a high-tech refractometer is used to measure the fruit's sweetness to make sure it's just right to proceed. As soon as the fruit pulp freezes at the right temperature, a bunch of workers get their gloves on to chop them into equal and smaller chunks. Harvesting process, and making sure the fruit is really high quality. They're also super accurate, which means less waste and they're better for the environment. These machines are designed to move smoothly through the fields, gently shaking the bushes to release the ripe blueberries. As the blueberries fall off, the harvester's high-speed conveyor belts collect them efficiently. Each day, these machines can pick tons of blueberries, covering a large area much faster than manual picking. This efficiency not only speeds up the harvesting process, but also ensures that the berries are collected at their peak ripeness. Such modern machines also help maintain the quality of the blueberries, ensuring that they reach consumers fresh and delicious. Now these carriers are going to take them with full responsibility and care towards the facility. So we are here in this massive, bustling factory where handling heaps of berries is an effortless breeze, made possible only by cutting-edge technology. Now, we'll let these berries get a much-needed thorough wash. 1,000 varieties of mangoes worldwide. That's right, and I know nothing about them. Just eating sweet mangoes is enough for me. These skilled workers use specialized blade cutters to carve mangoes into precise segments. Then a refreshing bath ensures that any remaining latex from the peel, which can cause irritation or allergic reactions, is thoroughly cleaned off. These cutters transform the mangoes into bite-sized pieces, ensuring you get the full enjoyment of every juicy morsel without any hassle. This conveyor belt is equipped with vibrations, and there's a solid reason behind it. It ensures that any lingering water droplets that are left behind are completely dried off, while the continuous shaking keeps them separated from each other. Now they are being flash frozen in giant freezers to lock in all that contaminants. This airtight seal is a game changer, extending the shelf life of peaches to even years without spoilage. While some of the peaches are chopped into tiny bits and flash frozen to keep them fresh throughout their usage. The vibrations incorporated in freezing help expose more surface area to the cold air, leading to quicker freezing. Also, it keeps the chunks separated from each other. As I'm keep on telling this thing, you must take an idea how important it is. Did you know that bananas are fantastic for reducing and preventing muscle cramps and spasms? So if you're hitting the gym or just dealing with those pesky nighttime leg cramps, grabbing a banana can be your secret weapon. Even if it's in the form of banana chips, it's super delicious. Now, the cantaloupe is being expertly peeled by this skilled worker, with every bit of skin carefully removed. With about 90% water content, cantaloupe is an incredibly hydrating fruit, perfect for keeping you refreshed on a hot day. Moreover, it is a fantastic pick if you want to drop weight as well. First, these papayas get a thorough wash, scrubbing off every bit of dirt, stones, or trash, leaving only the finest golden grains ready to shine. Time to level up those grains into semolina flour. They hit up some next-level mills that grind them into the ultimate pasta base. The flour gets a sifting session to smooth out any lumps and get it looking just right. Finally, it's bagged up, sealed tight with all the deets, and ready to roll out to pasta makers. In order to get the best and lump-free pastas at the end, those people use these high-end blending machines that mix all the necessary dry and wet ingredients in the right ratios. This way, they will get a perfect blend without overworking the dough. Kneading it well is necessary to build up the gluten and get that smooth, stretchy vibe. Fancy machines handle this automatically to keep things on point. Rolling the dough through a sheeting machine, which then transfer the batches into each separate chambers, so the robotic arms will easily pick the calculated pasta every time for packing. First, the machines seal the pasta strips in a transparent plastic wrap to make sure the pasta stays safe and fresh during its entire shelf life. Finally, sealing machines pack it up tight with nitrogen flushing to keep it fresh and spoilage-free. Attached with labeled boxes, it's being loaded into cartons using advanced machinery for shipping. Pasta is like a flavor playground with its endless shapes and textures. From classic spaghetti to fancy ravioli, each type adds its flair to your meal. It's a go-to that makes every dish pop with delicious vibes. I strongly agree to that, living my whole life depending on them and only them. Okay, as you can see, the dough gets rolled into smooth sheets and then cut or shaped into all kinds of awesome designs with top-notch machines. It's where precision and creativity collide to turn simples like a pro, making it perfect for chunky, creamy, or meaty sauces. With its bold texture and flexible shape, tortiglione shines in classic Italian recipes and new inventive dishes. Macaroni is the ultimate elbow-shaped pasta with a slight curve, giving it that iconic look. And all this magic is possible due to those amazing machines that can churn out the pasta dough like that every time. It comes in smooth and ridged versions, but either way, it's perfect for scooping up sauces thanks to its hollow center. It cooks fast and keeps its shape, making it a go-to for creamy or chunky dishes. Macaroni is perfect to add in classics like mac and cheese and shines just as bright in pasta salads and hearty soups like pasta and fagioli. This careful packing process ensures that every box of pasta reaches consumers in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed in all its delicious, perfectly cooked glory. Covered in golden, crispy breadcrumbs that add a satisfying crunch. Frying them just right so you've got juicy, tender mushrooms inside a crispy, flavorful shell. It's the ultimate snack or side that's got the perfect mix of textures and tastes, making every bite a next-level experience. Ever wondered how some of your favorite ice creams get from the farm to your freezer? Dude, prepare yourself to witness the incredible transformation. But first, let's talk about how they get the fresh and tasty milk from these cows. It's all about advanced technology that is used from their care to the milking process. As soon as they finish milking the cows, the entire milk is immediately transferred to their dedicated facilities. So the milk gets pasteurized and to test whether the milk is good enough to proceed. Emerging with a glossy coating for that irresistible crunch in every heavenly bite. From heating to packaging, the robots make sure everything runs smoothly without any breaks, so the ice creams are always tasty. Temperature is super important here. They nail it by keeping things perfectly cool, so every scoop is spot on. Remember those childhood ice cream cones we all have a long history with? Let's be real, ice cream cones are the ultimate pleasure anytime, anywhere. So a cool blast sets the creamy goodness in the cones just right. If you can easily resist these ice creams, dude, our vibes don't match. But wait, we have a lot more options ahead. So stick around and let me know which ice cream you like the most. These sleek robotic arms are segmenting ice cream cones for easy packaging, while the packaging paper is being prepped and now it's ready. So these ice cream cones are being securely packed into these massive cartons. A bunch of robotic arms slice the ice cream into pieces and automatically sandwich them between biscuit layers. The whole process, as these sticks slide in, they transform them into handheld masterpieces. Check out these robotic arms, dipping each ice cream bar halfway into a luscious chocolatey dream. Meanwhile, the wrappers get ready and look how gracefully they are lined up, just ready to be packed by these automated machines. Vanilla ice cream bars are the ultimate treat. They're creamy, sweet, and have that perfect vanilla flavor that never gets old. Each bite is smooth and rich, with a hint of vanilla that's just right. Whether you're chilling with friends or just need a snack, these bars are a go-to for satisfying your sweet tooth. Totally delicious and always a hit. Waffle cups, fresh out of their molds. Their signature ice cream mixture gets churned in these huge machines, adding just the right amount of air for that creamy vibe. Once churned, it's quickly cooled to keep it smooth. Frozen ice cream then gets poured into each waffle cup, filled to the brim. Did you know some ice cream factories in the United Kingdom cranks out over 2 million ice creams a day? Running 24/7, this place never stops, meeting global demand by keeping the shelves stocked. If you are enjoying this video, hit that like button so we will know it was worth an adventure. This ice cream is filled with real mango goodness and their rich flavor, which can blow your mind on its very first bite. So why waiting to grab one? This is for strawberry lovers. First, as these waffle cones get lined up, automated nozzles spray a chocolatey base inside each cone for that. As vanilla stands out as the world's favorite ice cream flavor, the United States marks its spot as the largest producer and consumer of ice cream worldwide. How adorably these robotic hands place each ice cream into its own separate holder on the automated line. Then they get dipped into a rich chocolate bath, adding that yummy layer we all adore. Finally, a cool air blast sets them just right, ready to be shipped out to markets. Come with me inside this huge factory that is going to make salted duck egg yolks. Starting with inspecting the eggs for a quality check and preparing the brine solution that contains special earthenware, salt, and perfectly clean water to keep them covered thoroughly. Within the time period, cracks them so that the hardened and salted egg yolk is separated from the egg white, which has become more watery than before. As soon as egg yolks are collected, dried, and inspected well, they are ready to pack. Some workers help to put the egg yolks in separate containers so they can be packed and sealed with quiet precision. Be ready, that was just the beginning. Let's see where the rest of the egg yolks have gone. Doing a mixture of several savory ingredients, sometimes sweet and sometimes a blended mixture of red beans and more. But the major step involves filling the heart of the mooncakes, which is putting those freshly made salted egg yolks. These egg yolks add a savory burst, which is more like finding a hidden gem in a pasty treasure chest. Legend has it that they were originally offered to the moon goddess, Chang'e, as a symbol of gratitude and unity. Mooncakes are round, symbolizing completeness and togetherness. Just as the full moon shines brightly, families gather to share mooncake. CP Factory prepared hard-boiled eggs make their way to you. Whether you're slicing them onto a salad, mashing them for a sandwich, or enjoying them as a protein-packed snack, these eggs are a celebration of convenience. Don't you think adding blueberries to your daily diet is a breeze? They're a convenient, finger-friendly snack that Did you notice that glowing like button beneath the video? Well, hit it. I put that glow to it. You don't believe, right? Go 4 seconds reverse and see the magic. I think I deserve a like now. That golden, crispy delight is widely loved because of the crunch that echoes through the room when you take that first bite. A little stream of sugar syrup covering all the sugar cookies from upside down, while the roller keeps moving to shower the uniform syrup on every cookie. This woman has the most important job to do, to separate each cookie when they are freshly coated, because they may get stuck forever or even ruin others' appearance. Now they are ready to keep aside and let them cool again until the sugar syrup dries and reveals the white crystals on the surface. Before these cookies can make their way to containers, they need a few final moments to let them cool and make their way safely. Now comes the packaging happiness, where this lady, along with, I am sure some helpers, pack these sugar-coated cookies inside the container. Those robotic arms handle the entire process.
Welcome to the real-life fantasy world. With lightning-fast precision, it slices through blocks of cheese, creating uniform shreds ready to be sprinkled on pizzas, nachos, or grilled cheese sandwiches. These ingenious gadgets are like the artists of the baking world, taking dough and turning it into beautifully formed biscuits with a simple press and cut. Without them, we'd be stuck in hand-cutting dough all day long. These machines aren't just handy. Those machines and a couple of teams carefully examine each pomegranate, making sure it's just right before it moves forward. It's fascinating to see how these machines work together like a team to create all sorts of stuff we use every day. They are a game changer in the meat processing industry, ensuring consistency in size and shape for every patty. Ensuring even distribution, guaranteeing that every bite is bursting with flavor. Plus, they're designed for efficiency. While we talk about some ingenious machines, tell us if you want to watch more videos like these and what else we should bring on in our next video. Here, state-of-the-art machinery carefully washes and sorts these exotic fruits, ensuring only the finest specimens make their way out. Not just picture, watch this symphony of machinery beautifully sorting, shelling, and processing almonds with the precision of all the units. These lines are made to make sure of the quality and that each almond meets the highest standards of taste and texture. From roasting to packaging, every step is carefully calibrated to preserve freshness and flavor. They're heavy-duty. The cutlets were dipped into the pool of different coatings before getting frozen. Such mechanical marvels are the heartbeat of these operations, seamlessly blending precision and power to transform raw ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Every machine plays a vital role in all sorts of production processes. As they're getting their best treatment here, take a moment to hit that like button. Juicy delights aren't just tasty, they're packed with nutrients that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. We're talking about a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, from vitamin C to vitamin A, not to mention a healthy dose of fiber to keep things moving smoothly. Mangoes are also bursting with antioxidants, fighting off those pesky free radicals, specialized machinery for further cleaning and packaging tasks. Everything is beautifully done within this line. Witness the journey as plump tomatoes embark on a transformative path from vine to table-ready products. Never getting bored of such amazing and efficient food processing machinery. Tray sealers enhance product presentation and create an appealing package that entices consumers. Package stuff to fresh produce. These machines ensure that every item is securely sealed for freshness and safety. The products seamlessly glide down the production line swiftly and precisely packaged with minimal human interference. This line is designed for versatility. That's a wrap for today, but if you want to watch more videos like these, you can find us here.
Picking berries in the fields offers significant advantages to fruit processing factories and labor. These machines promise efficiency, but demand a skilled touch. Therefore, workers undergo specialized training to navigate the complexities of this crucial job. These machines struggle with selective harvesting, and can sometimes result in picking some unripe berries as well, but with the help of the experts, no ruined berry is going to pass through.